Paneer and rice are two such ingredients that vegetarian can't live without. So what better than combining these two together to create a wholesome meal for your hunger cravings? So let's quickly see a recipe for Matar Paneer Pulao. Starting with heating up some ghee. Once the ghee is nice and hot, I'm going to add the onions. Cook the onions till they are nice and brown. I'm going to add ginger and garlic paste. Add some chopped capsicum. Green chilies finely chopped. Just a little coriander leaves. And now I'm going to add some finely chopped tomatoes. And now I'm also going to add all the seasoning ingredients. Garam Masala, Coriander and Cumin seed powder, Red Chilli Powder, salt to taste, very little sugar. Give it a good mix. Cook the tomatoes till they are nice and soft. I'm also going to add some frozen green peas. The best part of cooking rice items is that you can just add in some vegetables, throw in some masala and just cook up a wholesome meal. And it's so quick and you can even use leftover rice. That's why I love cooking rice items, because just one meal dish. Just a little bit of water to deglaze the pan. I'm also going to add in the paneer cubes. I've lightly fried them, but if you just want to chop them up in cubes and add them, you can do so. I'm just going to cover this and let it cook for at least 5 minutes. Let's check on this. Everything's cooked very well. All I need to do is dry it out a little bit so that my rice doesn't become very soggy. So just cook it for another 2 minutes and then I'm going to add the rice. Ready to add the rice. Just lightly toss the rice. I'm also going to season it with a little more salt, coriander leaves, let's plate this. So here we go, easy and delightful Matar Paneer Pulao ready in few minutes. Now try it yourselves and do let us know how it turned out. Subscribe to the channel. Until then, see ya.